Hello friends, welcome to my channel Learn with Jay and Jess. In this video, we will learn different ways to take care of plants. First one is water plants regularly. It is very important to water plants regularly. Water is vital for the survival of plants. Fill pots with soil. It provides the roots access to air by letting water drain away from them. Keep plants under sunlight. Without the sun, plants cannot get food they need to grow, reproduce, and survive. Pull the weeds. Unwanted weeds will take the essential nutrients of the plants from the soil, so it is important to pull the weeds as soon as they sprout. Fertilize the plants. For healthy growth of plants, healthy soil is necessary. Fertilizer is a type of plant nutrient which provides essential nutrients to soil for the plant growth. Do not pluck flowers or leaves. If we pluck flowers, no seeds would be formed, and the leaves helps the plants to breathe. So do not pluck flowers or leaves. Do not uproot plants. When we uproot a plant, the roots will get damaged and it can cause weakening the plant. As the roots cannot absorb the water and minerals from the soil properly. Do not stand on plants. If we stand on plants, the stems will get damaged or crushed. So the nutrients and water will not circulate properly through stems. Thanks for watching the video. If you like it, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.